Hello traders, this is Gyanforexx and welcome back to a new video. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will be giving you a brief explanation on how to use the Exness application. In this video, we'll be including the using, the different types of tool, execution of trade, applying SL and TP, and the deposit and withdrawal method. So, guys, before starting, I would like to request that if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and also join my Telegram group for regular updates. So, traders, if you don't have a Exness account, then I will be giving you the link in the description. You can go and directly register from there. So, after you are done with the registration, you just have to click on profile, complete the KYC verification, and after 2 to 3 minutes, your account will be fully verified. Now, let's see if you are a beginner, then you can start trading with a demo account. So, how to create one? So first of all, you have to click on this icon, then click on a plus icon. Now here you will get two options. First, a real account, and second, a demo account. So you have to click on a demo account. Now choose your account type. So I will be choosing a standard account because for beginners, standard account is perfect. Now here you can just keep any nickname and continue. After that, you have to create a password and you are done. Now, when you are done with creating a demo account, I will be telling you how you can deposit in a demo account. So, first of all, you have to click on deposit. Now, enter the amount you are depositing. Like, I will be depositing 50 US dollars and continue. And it's done. Look, I have received my $50 in my account instantly. Now let's learn how to execute your trades. So first of all, below you will be seeing five options of accounts, trades, market, performance, and profile. So you have to click on trades. After that, you will see multiple options. So suppose like you want to trade in gold, which is XAUUSD. So click on that. You will be seeing here a chart in front of you. Now, if you want different types of chart, there are multiple charts like a line chart, bar, and candle. So, for your preference, you can choose whichever you like. So, I will be choosing a candlestick chart. Now, after that, you can see a icon of this FM5. Now, what's this? This is the time frame you can trade with. You can analyze your trades, you can analyze the chart, and you can directly trade from here. So, suppose like if you want to choose 15 minutes of time frame, you can just open your 15 minutes and start your trading. Now, how to execute your trades? If you want to take a sell or a buy, you will see two options, a sell and a buy. So you just need to click on sell and confirm your lot size. Suppose if you want to go with 0.02, just confirm your lot size and confirm your order. Now you must be thinking that it's everything is done. Now what is the process of SL and TP? Now I will be telling you the how to apply your SL and TP. So there are two simple methods. So first method is very simple and very easy. So here you can see your market with the profit and the loss which you are facing. So you have to click on this red icon, which is this red dot where the market is currently, and then you will be getting two options of SL and TP. So first of all, let's apply our SL. So just click on this SL, and suppose we have taken a sell in gold, then we will be applying our SL somewhere here. I'm not saying to apply a SL of $80. It's just for your learning and example. Now let's apply a TP. Suppose we want to take a TP till here and just confirm it. Now there are one more method. Suppose if you want to take buy in gold, so click on buy, and if you scroll down here you will see two options again, a SL and TP, and from here also you can apply your SL and TP directly. Now when you come to your account section, you can see your trade running, and the pending trades and your closed trades. If you want to close a trade from here directly, suppose if you are in a rush, if the market is very volatile and you want to close your trades, so just click on your trade which is running and close, confirm, and it's done. It was so very simple. Now traders, I will explain you a concept which is known as spread and swap. Now what is a spread or swap? On your chart, you can see two different lines, one a blue line and second the red line. Now, what does it indicate? It is the spread which is cut instantly. Spread is nothing but a commission deducted by the broker. So, if you're using their platform, then all the brokers take some amount of spread charges, which is common in all the brokers. So some of the brokers take spread charges and some of the broker takes lower spread charges. So Exness is taking a very low amount of spread charge. So if you are a beginner or a trader, you should definitely try with Exness. And if you don't have an account, link is in the description. You can go and register directly from there. So the broker, if you take any trade, suppose if you are taking a trade of sell, then you can see that your trade is in loss. Now why does it showing like this? Because the broker takes some amount of commission for using their platform. After you are done with your SL and or TP, whatever profit you make or whatever loss you make, it's all yours. The broker won't take any charges from that. So suppose like if you're confirming your trade with your $3.3. So let's close our trade with suppose it's running $2, $3. The market is very volatile. So here they won't take any charges. All your profit is the profit all is yours, and whatever loss you take is also yours. The commission was deducted at the starting, which is deducted instantly. So now all the profits you make, all the losses you make, it's all yours. Now let's learn the concept of swap. Now what is a swap charges? So if you are a trader who holds your trade overnight, then you have to pay a certain amount of swap charges to the broker, which they deduct instantly. You won't be knowing and they deduct. So Exness provide a very low amount of swap charges, and if you open a account with my partner link, then you will be getting a discount of a relief of 9% in your swap charges. So guys, it's a great thing. You can open an account from my partner link. It's nothing much. So that's all for today's video. If you have any query, any doubt, you can just comment below or you can ask me on my Telegram ID. I will give you the link in the description. And guys, if you're new, then please subscribe and also join my Telegram community for regular updates. So thank you. See you in the next video.